Welcome to Health Miracles, where we unlock the secrets to a healthier, more vibrant life. Today, we're diving deep into the world of superfoods and exploring some hidden gems that can supercharge your immune system. Our immune system is our body's defense mechanism, protecting us from harmful pathogens and keeping us healthy. It's constantly at work, fighting off infections, repairing damaged cells, and maintaining overall balance. To support this incredible system, we need a diet rich in nutrients that can enhance its function and resilience. While many are familiar with popular superfoods, today we'll spotlight some lesser-known but incredibly powerful options that can make a real difference in boosting your immune health. From exotic berries packed with antioxidants to ancient fruit renowned for their immune-enhancing properties, these superfoods offer a treasure trove of benefits. We'll explore the unique nutrients, how they support your immune system, and simple ways to incorporate them into your diet. So, get ready to discover how these extraordinary foods can help fortify your body's defenses and keep you feeling your best year-round. Stay tuned, and let's embark on this journey to better health together. Top 3 lesser-known superfoods for boosting your immune system. 1. Elderberries. A hidden gem for immune support. Elderberries come from the elder tree, known scientifically as Sambucus nigra. These small, dark berries have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly for their potential to treat colds, flu, and other infections. The deep purple hue is not just for show, it's a sign of the high levels of antioxidants and vital nutrients they contain. Why elderberries are beneficial? High in vitamin C. Elderberries are exceptionally rich in vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for a well-functioning immune system. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and illnesses. It also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Packed with antioxidants. These berries are loaded with antioxidants, including flavonoids like anthocyanins, which give elderberries their dark color. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, and thereby supporting overall immune function. Potential antiviral properties. Elderberries have shown promise in reducing the duration and severity of flu symptoms. Some studies suggest that compounds in elderberries can inhibit the replication of influenza viruses, helping to lessen the impact of flu infections. Supports respiratory health. Traditionally, elderberries have been used to alleviate symptoms of colds and respiratory infections. They are believed to help reduce mucus production and soothe the respiratory tract, which can be beneficial during flu season or when dealing with a cough. How to incorporate elderberries into your diet. Elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup is a popular way to consume elderberries. It can be taken as a daily supplement or during illness to help boost your immune system. Look for organic options or make your own at home by simmering dried elderberries with water, sweetening with honey, and straining the mixture. Elderberry tea. Brew elderberry tea for a warm, soothing drink that can help support your immune health. You can use dried elderberries or tea bags that contain elderberry extract. Add to smoothies. Elderberry powder or dried elderberries can be added to smoothies for a nutritional boost. Combine it with other fruits and vegetables to create a delicious, immune-boosting smoothie. In baking, incorporate elderberry syrup or powder into baked goods like muffins, pancakes, or granola bars for added flavor and health benefits. 2. Moringa. The nutrient-rich superfood for immune support. Moringa oleifera, is a fast-growing, drought-resistant tree native to parts of Africa and Asia. Every part of the moringa tree, from the leaves and seeds to the pods and roots, is edible and offers a range of nutritional benefits. However, it's the leaves that are most commonly used for their rich nutrient profile and health-promoting properties. Why moringa is beneficial? Rich in vitamins and minerals. Moringa leaves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of vitamin A, vital for maintaining healthy vision and supporting immune function. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts immune health and helps repair tissues. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage and supports immune health. Calcium and iron, important for bone health and red blood cell production. High in antioxidants. Moringa leaves contain a range of antioxidants, including quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds in moringa have anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including weakened immune function, so managing it is crucial for overall health. Supports overall health. Moringa not only supports immune health but also contributes to overall well-being. It can help boost energy levels. Due to its high nutrient content, moringa can enhance energy and vitality. Improve digestion. Moringa's fiber content supports healthy digestion and can help prevent constipation. Support healthy skin. The antioxidants and vitamins in moringa help maintain healthy, glowing skin. How to incorporate moringa into your diet. Moringa powder. Moringa powder is a versatile way to add this superfood to your diet. You can blend it into smoothies, sprinkle it on salads, or stir it into soups and stews. It's an easy way to get a concentrated dose of nutrients. Moringa tea. Brew moringa leaves into a nutritious tea. Moringa tea is a great way to enjoy the health benefits of moringa in a soothing, hydrating beverage. Fresh moringa leaves. If you have access to fresh moringa leaves, use them similarly to spinach. Add them to salads, soups, or as a garnish for a nutrient boost. Moringa supplements. Moringa is available in capsule or tablet form for those who prefer a more convenient way to consume it. Follow the dosage instructions on the supplement label. 3. Sea buckthorn. The nutrient-packed superfood for immune health. Sea buckthorn, Hippophae rhamnoides, is a hardy shrub native to Europe and Asia. Its bright orange berries are not only striking in appearance but also packed with a remarkable array of nutrients. Used in traditional medicine for centuries, sea buckthorn is now gaining recognition for its potent health benefits. Why sea buckthorn is beneficial? Exceptional vitamin C content. Sea buckthorn berries are among the richest sources of vitamin C found in nature. Vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system, as it stimulates the production of white blood cells, which play a key role in fighting infections. The high vitamin C content also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Omega-7 fatty acids. Unique among fruits, sea buckthorn berries contain omega-7 fatty acids, particularly palmitoleic acid. Omega-7s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to support skin health. These fatty acids help maintain the integrity of mucous membranes, which is beneficial for overall immune function. Rich in antioxidants. Sea buckthorn is packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to a strengthened immune system and better overall health. Support skin health. The antioxidants and fatty acids in sea buckthorn contribute to skin health by improving hydration, reducing inflammation, and supporting the skin's natural repair processes. This makes it a valuable addition to your diet for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. How to incorporate sea buckthorn into your diet. Sea buckthorn juice. Enjoy sea buckthorn juice for a refreshing and nutrient-rich drink. The tangy flavor pairs well with other fruit juices and can be a great way to boost your vitamin C intake. Sea buckthorn oil. Sea buckthorn oil is available as a supplement and can also be used topically. It's often used in skincare products for its moisturizing and healing properties. Sea buckthorn powder. Add sea buckthorn powder to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritional boost. This powdered form retains many of the berry's beneficial compounds and is an easy way to enhance your diet. Sea buckthorn extract. Sea buckthorn extract can be taken as a supplement or added to various recipes. It provides a concentrated source of the berry's nutrients and is a convenient option for those looking to maximize their intake. How to boost your immune system. Naturally strengthening your immune system is vital for maintaining health and warding off illnesses. A balanced diet is foundational. Focus on consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins and antioxidants, such as berries, citrus fruits, and leafy greens. Whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats from sources like nuts and seeds also support immune function. Staying hydrated is equally important. Drink plenty of water and enjoy herbal teas like ginger and chamomile. Regular exercise boosts circulation and reduces stress, both of which are beneficial for immune health. Aim for a mix of aerobic activity, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Managing stress through mindfulness, meditation, and relaxation techniques can help keep your immune system strong. Prioritizing quality sleep is essential, as it allows your body to repair and regulate immune responses. Avoid harmful habits like excessive alcohol consumption and smoking, which can impair immune function. Additionally, support your gut health with probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and prebiotics from garlic and bananas, as a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall immunity. By adopting these natural strategies, you can enhance your immune system and promote overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on improving your health and wellness. Wishing you good health and prosperity.